Hello, today we will guide you through how to set Auto BCC in Gmail. To get started, open your browser and go to Google. This process uses a Chrome extension, so beginning from a simple Google search is an easy way to find the tool you need. Once the Google homepage is open, click into the search bar and type in Chrome extension. Then run the search. On the results page, look for the Chrome Web Store extension link and open it. This will take you to the official marketplace for Chrome extensions, which is where you can safely browse and install tools that add extra features to your browser. Using the Chrome Web Store is important because it helps make sure you are installing the extension from the proper source. Once you are in the Chrome Web Store, move to the search area within the store and type Auto BCC. This will pull up extensions related to automatic blind carbon copy settings for Gmail. Auto BCC can be useful if you regularly need to keep a copy of outgoing emails for record keeping, team visibility, or workflow tracking without adding those addresses manually every time. From the search results, find and click on Auto BCC for Gmail. Take a moment to confirm that you have selected the correct extension before continuing. It is always a good idea to review the extension name carefully so you know you are opening the right listing. When the extension page opens, click the button to add the Chrome extension. Depending on your browser settings, you may see a confirmation prompt asking you to approve the installation. If that appears, follow the prompt to continue. This step installs the extension into Chrome so it can work alongside Gmail. After the extension is added, give it a moment to finish installing completely. In many cases, Chrome will display a small notification to confirm that the extension has been installed successfully. If you do not see it right away, wait a few seconds and check the Browser toolbar area. That's the setup process for getting the Auto BCC extension into Chrome so you can use it with Gmail. If you plan to use this for business or shared workflows, it is a good idea to double-check the extension's permissions and settings after installation so it behaves the way you expect. With the extension added, you are now ready to move forward with using Auto BCC in Gmail.